Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 15分鐘到 a quarter to 15分鐘到15分鐘到 a quarter to 8點45分等於15分鐘到9點 8:45 is the same as a quarter to 9 8點45分等於15分鐘到9點半 half past 半 half past 9點30分等於9點半 9:30 is the same as half past 9 9點30分等於9點半地氈 rug 地氈 rug 塊地氈係3米乘5米 This rug is 3 meters by 5 meters. 塊地氈係3米乘5米。搭3 a quarter after. 搭3 a quarter after. 依家係3點搭3 It's a quarter after 3. 依家係3點搭3紫色 purple 紫色 purple 紫色浴室地氈 purple bathroom rug 紫色浴室地氈怕fear 怕 fear 我乜都唔怕 I fear nothing 我乜都唔怕似 resemble 似 resemble 似對方 resemble one another 似對方尊重 respect 尊重 respect 我尊重你 I respect you 我尊重你多謝 thank 多謝 thank 我想多謝佢幫我忙 I want to thank him for helping me 我想多謝佢幫我忙愛 love 愛 love 我愛你 I love you 我愛你 Let's review Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say a quarter to? 15分鐘到15分鐘到 And how to say half past? 半 What about rug? 地氈 Do you remember how to say a quarter after? 搭衫 Let's try purple. 紫色 What about fear? 怕 Now, let's see if you remember how to say resemble. 似 Another one. What about respect? 尊重 Do you remember how to say thank? 多謝 And finally, do you remember how to say love? 愛 Well done! See you next time! 再見